Add shells, thyme, kitchen flavor. Something new every week. This week it's dirty rice, also known as Cajun rice. Sit back. Please watch the video to the end. It's short. Thank you. Ground beef and turkey. Welcome to my channel, guys. Today I'll be making some dirty rice, also known as Cajun rice. In Jamaica, we would not say dirty, we would say dirty rice. Here are all my herbs and spices and my powder seasonings. Here I am about to cook some basmati rice. I did not add any salt. I used some unsalted butter in this. I will leave to steam for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Here I added some avocado oil to my pot, and I'll be adding in garlic, bell pepper, white onions. I also used some purple onion in this, a little, some scallion in this. I allow this to become translucent. I would say as quick as within 3 to 5 minutes. Then I'll be adding in my beef and my turkey, and yes, your girl wash her beef. No blood is running from my beef. I also washed my turkey mince. No blood is running. Once I wash, I use a towel to pat dry. You don't want to use a lot of oil. I will be using beef stock to cook this, and I cook this for 30 minutes. And because that's me and that's my business, this is how I do it in Shell's time. You can choose to do it how you wish. I don't like to be cooking my meat and it looks bloody. Look how my meat looks fresh and clean. I added some bay leaf and some rosemary sprigs to this, and I allow to cook for 30 minutes whilst also adding some warm beef stock to this. You always want to make sure that your meat, when you're cooking it, it maintains the temperature. Once I added my seasonings in, I mixed everything in. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you for stopping by, and welcome to all my new subscribers. It is free to give the video a like. There is no charge. It won't pain your finger. It is free. Thank you for your support. It is greatly appreciated. Have a great day. Now, to continue the cooking of this, I added some soy sauce to mine because that's my business and I wanted to, for it to get some color. I also added in some celery and hot pepper because that's a girl business. The celery helps to coordinate the color because everything is brown, everything is looking dirty. Look at my mince. No oil running in my pot. You don't want your beef swimming or your turkey swimming in no oil, no swimming in no pot around here. Once I cover and everything dries out, then you're ready to add your rice in. By now, my rice is ready. Once it starts to build a little juice under low heat, I then start to add in my white rice. If you need the ingredients that I used on my mince, turkey and beef, be the first to drop a comment in the description box and let me know, and I'll definitely update. Once I added my rice, I combined everything, mixed everything in. I can see you wanting some. Your mouth is running water right now. Just drop your email and I'll send some to you. Once I added in everything and I combined my turkey and my beef into the rice, I left under low heat for an additional 20 minutes. Look at my dinner. I'll be sending you some, just drop your email. This in itself, let me tell you, it's the first I'm trying and I gave myself a 10. It tasted good. It can be eaten as is. Tasted good is an understatement. It is delicious. It can be eaten all by itself. This dirty rice, Cajun rice, it tasted really, really amazing. There's dinner served. That doesn't belong to me. That's my daughter's dinner. A little fried chicken, some oxtail, and the beef. I thank you guys for stopping by, and I do hope that you too, you don't have to eat rice and peas every Sunday because you're Jamaican and that's what you're used to. Try other cultural dishes. I have lots of rice videos on my YouTube channel and they are in a playlist. Go check them out.